We are about to try and just fix this little screen. This screen door was tore up, as you guys can see. Got big holes in it. So we're gonna tear this little piece of screen out. We're gonna put it in. I know it's a very simple thing. Some of you might be laughing, but there is someone out there that doesn't know how to do it. So we're gonna do it right here. So to start with, we're gonna start peeling out this little rubber piece right here. This is the seal that goes around this screen door to hold the screen in place. As you guys will see, we're going to pull this whole thing out. This is the same thing you guys do on your windows at home. If any of you guys have some screens that are tore apart or coming apart, you can do this whole thing. We might save this because maybe we'll use that one. I don't know what came in the kit. We bought a little kit so we can replace this stuff. So we'll say out with the old, and we'll put some new stuff in. We're going to look at this little channel. Over the years, a lot of debris can be in here, and we're just going to try and clean this up. It looks really clean, honestly. There's a little bit of filled up here, and some down here, where those holes were, honestly. That's what we got to get out of here. That looks good. Wow, this one's really caked on there. Those holes must have been in place a long time. Oh yeah, that looks good. Right there, a little bit of debris. And this whole channel, if you zoom in here, you'll see this channel looks pretty clean. This whole channel looks nice. So now we're gonna lay out some new screen, cut it, and we're gonna put the new little seam in there. So, all right, so this is a little kit that we bought online.
Off of Temu.
Temu.
They're like a couple bucks.
A whole bunch of screen fabric. Nice fresh stuff. So we can do multiple projects with this. And a little measuring tape. A little X-Acto knife. This is to help press in the little tubing. And there's a fresh pile of the tubing. So we're gonna get going on it. Let's see how big. This is a pretty big piece. So we only need enough to do this.
Is it long enough? Oh,
Oh,
sweet.
it's plenty long.
Nice.
Honestly, I think the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna overlap it just slightly. And we're gonna start putting in this new edge. I've always just kind of used a flat blade screwdriver to do this, but we'll see what this little tool feels like. Oh, once it gets going, that's nice.
Oh yeah, it rolled right on there, huh?
Yeah. So let's see how that feels. We'll just go along this whole seam, nice and easy. Oh yeah, that looks good. Look at that. So we can get this to lay in there. Now we'll jam this little crease in. That looks good. Now that we've got this little rubber seal pressed in there, we're going to go along here and see if this little X-Acto knife can help us out. So far it looks like it's going to do it.
Easy couple dollar fix from Temu.
Temu. What do you think of that?
Looks good.
Look at that, brand
Hold it
new
up.
screen.
Hold it up. Nice. Check that out. 5 minutes.
That turned out really good. And we're gonna put that back on here. I'll show you a little update in just a sec after we get it installed. Keep the bugs out. We can let the air flow, do us some little camping. That's nice. I like it.
Just like that. Look at that. Easy, awesome fix. It looks so much nicer than the broken screen that it came with.
Heck yeah.
And tighten her down and we're good. Woohoo!
No more bugs.
Yeah, and we can open the window, get some airflow in there. We're so freaking excited about this camper. You guys don't even know.
Dude, I grew up
1973.
in one of these.
Yep, and now we're gonna do it and have our grandkids grow up in it.
Yeah. Look at that, brand new screen. That looks good.
Alright.
It was a cheap fix. Fixes all the problems with the bugs. Now we can open that window at night, let some air flow through there. I'm excited. We get to go use this.